Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Skincare Secrets. Of the many skincare ingredients out there, vitamin E is definitely one of the most common. It is found naturally in our bodies and in many foods. You'll also find it in many serums and moisturizers. So today I'm going to tell you about some of the beauty benefits vitamin E oil has for your skin and hair. Vitamin E restores and rejuvenates dehydrated skin. Just mix a few drops of vitamin E oil with a moisturizer and apply it all over your skin. If you have normal or oily skin or are prone to breakouts, then you might want to ask your dermatologist before you add it to your skincare routine. If you have stretch marks on your body, vitamin E oil can help you get rid of them. Just put a few drops of the oil on your stretch marks and massage it gently in a circular motion for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Do this every day for a couple of months and you'll see your stretch marks starting to fade away. Vitamin E oil can help reduce dark circles. Just take 1 capsule of vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons of potato juice, 1 tablespoon of honey and mix them well. Apply this concoction around your eyes and rinse it off after about 15 minutes. Mix 3 to 4 capsules of vitamin E oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and apply it to your ends. Leave the mixture on overnight before rinsing it off in the morning with cold water. So that was it for this episode of Skincare Secrets. Let us know what you thought of it in the comment section below. And while you do that, do not forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like fanny packs, tote bags, scented candles and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now. And for more skincare tips and makeup tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily.